There is something deeply human about wood. Long before cities rose and markets formed, people shaped wood with their hands to shelter families, store food, and tell stories. Even today, when technology surrounds us, the warmth of natural wood still speaks in a language we instinctively understand. Rustic home design is not a trend born from fashion. It is a return to something honest, something grounded, something real. And within this return lies not only beauty, but opportunity. Rustic home ideas are often misunderstood as rough or unfinished, but true rustic design is intentional. It celebrates imperfection, embraces natural form, and respects the story already written into the grain. Every knot, curve, and variation becomes part of the design rather than something to hide. In a world flooded with mass-produced furniture, this authenticity has become rare, and rarity creates value. When people bring rustic wooden pieces into their homes, they're not just buying furniture. They are buying a feeling, a sense of calm, a reminder of nature inside modern life. This emotional connection is what transforms handcrafted wood from a hobby into a source of income. People do not pay only for materials. They pay for meaning. A single rustic coffee table carved from a solid slab can anchor an entire living space. Its presence changes the room. It invites conversation. It draws the eye without demanding attention. When crafted thoughtfully, such a piece does not need excessive decoration. The wood itself carries the design. These are the kinds of items that customers remember, photograph, and recommend to others. Rustic side tables, stump stools, live-edge shelves, and hand-carved benches are especially powerful because they balance practicality with artistry. They are useful, yet expressive. They fit comfortably in modern homes while still whispering of forests, time, and craftsmanship. This balance is exactly what today's buyers are searching for. Many people assume that turning craft into income requires large workshops, expensive machinery, or mass production. In reality, rustic woodworking thrives on limitation. Smaller spaces, simple tools, and focused craftsmanship often produce the most compelling results. What matters is not speed, but intention. Not quantity, but character. The beauty of rustic home projects is that they reward patience. A carefully sanded surface, a thoughtfully chosen finish, or a curve shaped by hand rather than machine. All of these details speak silently to the buyer. They feel the care even if they cannot explain it. And when people feel care, they trust the maker. Trust is the foundation of any sustainable craft-based income. Buyers who trust the maker are willing to wait longer, pay fairly, and return again. Rustic wooden pieces, because of their handmade nature, naturally invite storytelling. Where did the wood come from? Why does this piece look the way it does? What inspired its shape? These stories are not marketing tricks. They're the natural byproduct of honest work. Consider rustic seating, for example. A chair carved from solid wood with visible grain and organic curves does more than provide comfort. It becomes a statement. It tells the owner that furniture does not need to shout to be impressive, that strength can be quiet, that beauty can be simple. Such pieces often sell not because they are trendy, but because they feel timeless. Rustic home decor also opens doors for smaller, repeatable items. Candle holders, wall art, carved bowls, plant stands, and wooden sculptures allow makers to explore creativity while maintaining manageable production. These items often become entry points for customers. A person may first purchase a small piece, then return later for a larger one once trust is established. What makes rustic craft particularly powerful as an income source is its flexibility. It can grow slowly. It can adapt to available materials. Fallen trees, reclaimed wood, offcuts, and even imperfect boards can become centerpieces rather than waste. This not only reduces cost, but adds uniqueness. No two pieces are ever exactly the same, and buyers increasingly value that truth. In modern homes filled with straight lines, screens, and artificial finishes, Rustic wooden pieces introduce softness and balance. Curves inspired by nature calm the eye. Warm tones soften cold spaces. These effects are not accidental. They're deeply psychological. Humans evolved in natural environments, and rustic design reconnects us with that origin. When craft aligns with human instinct, demand follows naturally. People may not articulate why they want a rustic table or shelf, but they feel better when it is there. This emotional response is what sustains long-term demand beyond passing trends. Turning rustic craft into income also encourages a healthier relationship with work. Instead of chasing volume, the maker focuses on quality. Instead of racing deadlines, they develop rhythm. Each piece becomes an opportunity to improve, to experiment, and to refine personal style. Over time, this style becomes recognizable, and recognizability is a form of branding that cannot be copied easily. As skill grows, so does confidence, and confidence shows in the work. Buyers notice when a piece feels resolved, when proportions are balanced, when finishes are intentional. These subtle qualities separate casual crafting from professional craftsmanship. They justify pricing and elevate perception. Pricing, often a fear for new makers, becomes simpler when value is clear. Rustic handmade pieces do not compete with factory furniture. They exist in a different category. They are alternatives, not substitutes. When communicated honestly, customers understand that they are paying for time, skill, and uniqueness. Photography plays a key role in translating this value online. Rustic pieces photographed in natural light, placed in calm interiors, and allowed breathing space speak far louder than crowded images. The wood should remain the hero. The story should be visible at a glance. This visual clarity builds confidence before words are ever read. One of the greatest strengths of rustic home craft is that it grows with the maker. Early projects may be simple, small tables, stools, or shelves. Later work may expand into full furniture sets or sculptural installations. There is no fixed endpoint. The craft evolves alongside the person practicing it. Importantly, rustic woodworking also invites sustainability. Using reclaimed wood, respecting material limits, and creating long-lasting pieces aligns with values many buyers now prioritize. People increasingly want fewer things that last longer. Rustic craft answers that desire naturally, without forced messaging. Income from rustic craft does not arrive overnight, but it builds steadily. Each finished piece becomes part of a growing portfolio. Each satisfied customer becomes a quiet ambassador. Over time, the work begins to speak on its own behalf. There is dignity in this process. The maker is not chasing attention, but earning it. Not borrowing trends, but building substance. This dignity resonates deeply with buyers who are tired of disposable design and shallow novelty. Even mistakes become teachers rather than failures. A crack suggests a new joinery approach. An uneven surface encourages better sanding technique. Every challenge deepens understanding of the material. This learning is embedded in the final product, invisible but felt. Rustic home ideas succeed because they respect both maker and buyer. They do not pretend to be perfect. They do not hide their origins. They stand honestly in the space they occupy. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.